Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video is on how you will be preparing for your psychology for your class 12. See, I did not have psychology in my class 12, so I was not able to help you with this before, but I have asked help from my classmates and from few other sources, and that I will be compiling it in this video. One of my classmates, Chahat, she has helped me a lot in this matter. So the first tip that they shared is that NCERT is the most important. That everything will come from NCERT itself. NCERT के बाहर से कुछ नहीं आएगा, जो भी questions exam में आएगा सब NCERT से ही आए. They mentioned that there are just a few topics which might be a little bit short in NCERT, like not very much explained in NCERT. So उसके लिए what they did was that they used notes that were provided by their teacher. Okay, and they have also volunteered that they'll be sharing that notes, and if they share it with me, I'll be sharing it with you as well. So use your NCERT thoroughly, read each and every line. हर एक line आप NCERT का पढ़िए और आप उससे ही notes बनाइए. Second thing is that previous year questions, obviously like any other humanities subject, previous year questions are really very important, and one of them even mentioned that psychology is very predictable. That is, you can actually predict the type of questions that will be coming. So you should have your answers framed for those questions which are getting repeated again and again. Okay, you should frame it that how you will be writing it for in your exams. They did not use any reference books, but they saw the PYQs online as well. They used online websites to see the PYQs. And the next important thing is answer writing. Now see, I was looking at your psychology paper and I saw the paper pattern. It is similar to political science because you have 2 MCQs, then you have 2 marks, then 3 marks, and then 4 marks, and then 6 marks, and you also have case based, right? So like for MCQs, obviously you have to go through your NCERT very nicely. Each and every line of NCERT becomes important, and mark your MCQs at the side of your NCERT itself. For 3 marks and 2 marks, you can write in points. You don't have to write too much, but write in points. Okay. For 4 marks and 6 marks, now this is where you have to write a good answer, which should include an introduction, which should include definitions, flow charts, and then a conclusion. Okay. Try to write in points. You can give sub points, but make sure that you add introduction, conclusion, and flow charts, especially for your 6 marks. Okay. 6 marks के लिए ये important हो जाता है कि आप flow charts use कीजिए अपने answers में. And again, there are case based. Now they mentioned that for case based questions, concept clarity becomes very important. का concepts clear होना चाहिए. अगर आपका concepts clear हो, then you will be easily able to answer the questions. So this is all for psychology. Do your NCERT thoroughly. This is that the NCERT is easy to understand. You will be able to understand if you go through it properly. Okay. For MCQs also, read through NCERT properly, and for question answers, frame any question that you think there is a probability of coming in your 6 marks. So frame that question from beforehand. Practice answer writing from beforehand. Try making flow charts. Try writing in points. So I hope this video helps. Please do like, subscribe, and share. And if you have any other doubts, feel free to reach out in the comments. Okay, and good luck with your studies.